Hey to the hello guys, and welcome to the third video of my Watch Dogs gameplay. Alright, continuing on. That was stupid.
Hey, hang on. I thought I heard something.
Uh-oh. Oh
Get
shit.
this over with.
Oh shit, what the hell?
Why don't you give it up?
Where the hell are they shooting from?
I'm gonna rip you apart with my bare hands.
Look at that.
Check around, he's close.
It can't be gone. Search that way.
I got something. Nothing here. Check over there. This area's clear. I'm moving on.
Don't see anything. Gonna move on.
I don't see anything. I'll head
Gonna
that
move
way.
on. There's nothing here. Moving on. I don't see anything. Gonna move on.
There's nothing here.
Gonna
Moving
check
on.
somewhere else. Over here!
Around. Go around.
You can't be far.
Same place I was last time. What are you talking? And maybe I should take it a little more cautiously.
Whoa! What are you doing here?
Oh shit.
That's all I need.
Take it.
Ah!
We were just getting started.
Fuck face. That's not bad. Oh shit.
Hey, listen. Come on out.
Oh, that was stupid. Oh my god. Obviously not the brightest idea of the day.
Man, does nothing ever work around here? What am I seeing over there? What the? Oh, fuck me.
Oh, that's so fun.
I'll head that way. Be careful. We have to look for a soldier.
All right.
Nothing here. Moving on.
See how many of these guys I can pick off.
I got nothing. Check over there. I don't see anything. Gonna move on.
Oh, that's awesome.
This area's clear. I'm moving on.
See just how well I can do this.
There's nothing
Now,
over here.
go
Moving
back to
on.
the
Looking
exploding.
clear. I'll head that way.
I wanted to blow you up.
I got nothing. I'll check over there.
I got nothing. Check over there.
Don't relax yet.
Mute that little button on the side.
Sorry. Totally out of this.
All right. It's amazing what you can do without having to go in.
That was weird.
Okay. All right. I got my eyes on you.
Oh. Is that all? Oh, no, there we go. Alright, what? Oh shit. All right.
That's it. I'm hacked in.
What? You mean you're in the CTOS already?
I'm looking at the network
Bet
as we
your
speak.
ass.
You got your access, and I've got mine. Profiler system's online. Everybody's nasty little secrets at the click of a button. This thing's highlighting all kinds of stuff in the district. I could take advantage of some of this.
Keep an eye out for online traffic. Could be fixers in the network.
If I can see them, they can see me. All right, I gotta move. I mean, a lot of noise here.
Give me time to track your caller. I'll be in
That's
touch.
cool. Alright, this game is fucking badass. Leave the area. Alright, can do. I am out. Running, running, running. Woohoo!
for something for me.
What is it?
I lined up a lucrative deal with a very demanding client. He needs a driver.
No.
But here's the thing. I come in this morning, find Maurice trying to dig his way out of the guest room. So I need to move him. Now I could pass this problem on to you since Maurice is really your problem. But that's not my style. I always finish what I start, and all I'm asking of you...
All right, fine. I'll handle it.
Well, no, don't let me put you out.
I said I'd handle it. What's the job? Exactly.
It's a delivery job. Gotta move some guy. I mean, how hard is that? Just keep in mind my reputation's on the line here. He's paying top dollar for the best driver in Chicago.
Then he's in luck.
Alright, come on. That was a quiet alarm. I wanted to scare somebody. Gym membership, who needs it when you run from A to B? Parkour! Whee! Woo! Parkour! Oh, parkour! Not worried about that right now. Run as fast as you can. And then a little faster, because I'm getting bored.
Watch where you're going.
Yay for non-rhyming.
All right, never mind. What is this shit?
What?
What is this? What the hell, a fixer? I made too much noise in the loop. This guy's found me. Well, now I better find him. Jody's job will have to wait.
God, get out of my way. Where am I going? Sorry. Some freaking mailman is going pissed. I'm taking out all the freaking mailboxes. Actually, a lot of people are going to be pissed. Oh well.
There you are. You're mine now.
Whoa.
Move!
Ah, fuck. Whoa. No, no, no.
next time.
Oh, I have a feeling I'm gonna fail this hard. Ah.
Well, someone's taken an interest in me. Fixers are mercenaries. They work for a paycheck. Someone's issued a contract on me. That's bad fucking news. If I remember right, these guys communicate through the grid.
No shit. Alright guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you would like to see more videos like this in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, keep your head in the clouds.